If you're looking to improve your SEO strategy, using competitor gaps is a powerful way to uncover opportunities. In this video, we're diving into how to use competitor gaps to guide your SEO strategy so you can boost your search rankings faster. Stick around because I'll be revealing an exclusive tool you can use to uncover these gaps and how to leverage them to your advantage. Start by identifying your top competitors in your niche. These are the websites that are already ranking high for the keywords you're targeting. Use tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Moz to analyze your competitors' top performing pages and keywords. You want to get a good sense of where they're succeeding. But the key part? Look for gaps, areas where they might be missing or underperforming. This is where your opportunities lie. Once you've found these gaps, dig deeper into the content on their site. Are they covering all aspects of a topic, or are there subtopics they're ignoring? Maybe they're ranking for some keywords that you could target better by creating more in-depth, specialized content. This is where competitor gaps can guide your SEO strategy. You can step in and provide what your competitors missed, helping you rank for those valuable search terms. Next, it's time to look at backlink gaps. Check where your competitors are getting their backlinks from, but also see where they're missing out. Are there authoritative sites that are linking to them but not to you? If you can earn backlinks from these sites, you can quickly elevate your site's credibility and rankings. Another key area is the user experience. Look at how your competitors' websites are structured. Are their pages easy to navigate? Do they have fast loading speeds? If you spot any weaknesses in their UX, improve on them for your site. Google rewards websites that offer a better user experience, so make sure your website is easy to use and optimized. Also, keep an eye on your competitors' content strategies. Are they focusing on certain types of content, like blog posts, videos, or case studies? By understanding the content types that are working for them, you can create a strategy that fills the gaps they've left open. Now, how do you turn all this into actionable steps? Start by creating a content plan that targets the gaps you found. Develop pages that go deeper into topics your competitors are missing. For example, if they're not covering a particular keyword, create a blog post or a landing page dedicated to it, optimized with the right keywords. By identifying and capitalizing on these competitor gaps, you'll set yourself up for a stronger SEO strategy. You're not just following what your competitors are doing, you're finding ways to do it better. Remember, I've tried a lot of popular tools for this, and I'll link the best one in the description below for you to try out for free. It's an exclusive offer for viewers of this channel, so check it out if you want to dive into competitor analysis yourself. Here's your key takeaway. Competitor gap analysis is all about finding where your competitors are missing out and stepping in with better content, more strategic backlinks, and an improved user experience. Keep an eye on these areas and use them to guide your SEO strategy. To quickly recap, start by analyzing your competitors for keyword gaps and backlink opportunities. Then, focus on creating better content and improving the user experience. Finally, don't forget to check the description for that exclusive free trial and start using the tool I recommended to take your SEO strategy to the next level. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.